So we're working on the 2500 HD. We picked this thing up forever ago. It's an 8.1 with the Allison transmission, 4-wheel drive. I was towing a trailer for my boss, really heavy trailer. And on my way home, after dropping the trailer back off at construction rental, I heard a really weird noise from the transfer case. So I pulled over and checked it, and there was no... The seal had blown itself out of the back of the transfer case. I had a bunch of play in the yoke, and I called a shop to tow it. And the shop that towed it went ahead and did a free diagnostic on it for me. And they told me that, we drained the fluid out of the transfer case, and it's full of metal, and it's junk. You need a transfer case. So I've been shopping around for transfer cases. So this thing's been sitting. But the other day, I got a wild hair up my ass, and I decided to look at it, and yeah, the shop did not drain the transfer case. There was fluid in the transfer case, and it didn't look all that bad. So what we're going to do today is we're going to flush the transfer case and refill it with fresh fluid when we're done, and see what comes out. So we're going to flush it with fresh fluid, drain everything back out, take a look at the fluid that we drained, and see if there's a ton of metal, if the fluid, it looks awful, whatever, and just get an idea of what's wrong with it. Now, I'm already pretty convinced that I can put a new bushing and seal in it and clean up the yoke or replace the yoke, replace the U-joints, and probably get away with it, because these are stout transfer cases, and the truck only does, compared to what this truck's designed to do, light towing, and I don't daily drive it. So the transfer case, if we are okay with what we see out of the transfer case, we can probably get away with just replacing the bushing and the seal, and it'll probably outlast the body on the truck. So that's what we're working on today. Okay, so we got the truck idling, got a little temperature in the transmission, a little temperature in the transfer case. There's no drive shaft hooked up to the back right now, so we just left it in first gear, let it idle at about 10 mile an hour. Got the fluid moving around in there, and not too terrible. It's still pink. There was one little piece of metal that came out with the fluid right there. That's all the metal that's in this. I mean, the oil's not sparkling, nothing. So we might have got away with it. But the only other hurdle that we're potentially going to run into is normally when these output shaft bushings walk themselves out of the case, it's a common problem. But normally when they do this, it takes the case half with it. Now, a way to tell if it took the case half with it is if you can push the bushing back in by hand. It's wasted, but I couldn't push this back in by hand. I mean, it's obviously destroyed on the inside, and I'm going to have to either replace or polish the yoke. But what happened is I think it was running a little low on fluid. I overworked it with it being low on fluid. And with the combination of the bad U-joint on the driveline, the yoke was scored up enough, it was able to grab this and slowly walk it out of the transfer case until it pushed the seal and that out. And that's why I blew fluid all over the road and started getting a weird noise, and I think I pulled over fast enough to save it. And we've been idling this around with barely any fluid in it, just moving it around the farm, but I think we'll be all right. We have a very small amount of chain noise when we first started it up with the fresh fluid. But once the fluid got everywhere and the pump primed, the chain noise basically went away, right, Hunter?
Yeah.
So the new part's supposed to be here next week. It was supposed to be here today, but now it's looking like next week. So I'll make another short little video next week of putting the bushing in, and I'm going to reuse that old seal, and it's probably going to leak, but I can't get a seal local. So I'm going to reuse the old seal, put it all together, and if I can, I'm going to put this thing around for a couple 100 miles, and if I don't have any complaints, I'm just going to put it back into towing service.